So let's talk about some of the new features Cricut has just come out with in Design Space. Starting with being able to organize your projects into collections. You pick out whatever collection you want and you put your project into it. You can put up to 100 projects into each collection. So this is going to be a great time saver when looking for that perfect project. Now I'm going to open up a second window here in a minute because there's another cool thing that you can do. So I'm going to open up another Cricut window so I have two design spaces going on, because another cool feature that they've just come out with, let me just open this. Is to be able to copy and paste from one project to another. So for some people, this is quite the game changer. I used it just the other day when I came across a template for the mugs, and I had already had a design made up. So you can copy, go over into your other window, and paste. Now let's talk about offset. Offset is right up here, and you just adjust it to the way you want it, to the thickness you want. If you want it to be rounded edges or squared off edges, you can simply change the color of your offset. And here's something that's really cool. You can offset your offset. And your offset, and your offset, and your offset. It can go on infinitively. So some of the projects that you guys are going to be able to come out with, I think are going to be pretty cool with using this offset. That's not all, because not only can you offset fonts, you can offset images. Okay, so here's my images, and I just selected that one. Let's do an offset. And as you can see, it worked. And now we'll quickly do one on the egg. For some reason, my offset is going to the front. So we'll just fix that. So yeah, so this is going to be such a cool feature. So what all is released? Offset. Remember, you can offset your offset, 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 offset. You can offset on fonts and images. You can copy and paste from one project to another. And you get to organize your projects into folders. So yeah, I hope this helped, guys. It's all very simple to do, and we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.